So the JFF voting Congress is scheduled for later this year, and we understand that multiple members of the local fraternity are pondering, challenging Mike Ricketts for the presidency. We're hearing about a former JFF vice president, a prominent club owner, a prominent businessman, a former general secretary, and others, all busy behind the scenes testing the waters. And we can look at it two ways. Democracy is alive and well in the local football fraternity. We can also conclude that the number of potential challengers is an index of the level of dissatisfaction with the performance of Michael Ricketts and his administration. The fact that so many people are even considering change is a sign that the wider fraternity is finally catching on to the fact that the tenure of Mike Ricketts has been rugged and uninspiring, and that Jamaica's football deserves better leadership. If enough of these people in the fraternity remain committed to that cause, then things could be very interesting in the coming weeks and months. Yes, the mother go get some popcorn and soda. What a popcorn.